Please sit down, sit down.
Maharaja, he is the chief of
I know, Darlong. I was
I
talking about you yesterday. We were discussing something. I'll tell you. I was talking to Paul also. Paul Langshu, we were discussing regarding it. You are the Dakuma. Tinkuma. The Pathian always bless all of you.
Same to you, sir.
Tell me.
God bless you, sir.
I'm sorry, I have a flight to catch. That's why.
So, very good afternoon to all of you. And we, on behalf of the Darlong community, would just like to honor the Chief of the TTADC administration. And just to do the honor, I would like to request the Samajpati, Mr. Tinkuma, to honor His Highness Maharaja Prathu.
To the ring. Ring, no? Ring.
Next, I will request Samajpati to honor respected CEO.
Chief Executive Member.
Yes. Sri Purnachandra Jaman.
Bless you, sir.
He's coming.
Also, we would like to honor from the community the CEO, Sir C.K.
The Hoda.
We have been together for a long time.
Acha, so it's a private thing now. Tell me.
That.
So we are here for two purposes here today, and the first thing here is the recently devastated natural calamities. So just to show our solidarity with our Triprasa people, the Darlong Welfare Society of Agartala would like to hand over a small token of solidarity, which is very, very small, but we do believe that every drop of water makes that ocean. So it may be very small, so we would like to hand over this token to you, sir, from the Darlong Welfare
Is this a
Society.
refund or?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Is it same? We'll be there.
So I, as a secretary of the Darlong Welfare Society, would like to hand over this one.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Can I put this in my Facebook?
Yes,
With
sir,
a
yes,
thing,
sir.
I'll
Sure.
say the Darlong brothers and sisters have contributed to the flood affected victims who are not Darlong but other community, and that is the sense of Munkhas.
Yes.
Right? Can I put that in the
Sure,
my
sir.
social media?
sir.
So it will have more meaning.
Yes.
I also want to send a message of unity.
In Bangladesh means sir, love, concern.
Ah.
And sir,
So we have one more packet from the Darlong Student
Student
Union.
Union they have collected
So
separately.
they have also
sir.
collected
Okay.
separately.
Ladies should come.
So the treasurer of the DSU will hand over the small
Darlong
token.
Student.
This can be handed over to Maharaja.
Yes, you can hand over to Maharaj. Yes.
Thank you. God bless you.
This is just token of
And,
concern. Small amount.
Secondly, sir, that we would like to express our sincere gratitude to the ADC administration because we are fortunate to get a small plot in the Heritage Village
Yeah.
project, and we have already cleaned up the plot there, and we have just put a signboard there. So no further work we have done, but we would just like to acknowledge that to the ADC administration. So I would request the Samajpati of the Darlong to say a few words in this regard.
Sir. Sir, we, the Darlong, on behalf of Darlong I am speaking. I really convey our gratitude to the ADC authority for giving us this opportunity to be one of the tribe here within the ADC area, and you have allotted us, and we started working there, and we want to materialize your dream. Whatever purpose you have noted for that. And just clarification, sir, that can we go ahead as we wish to develop the area for our own heritage cottage and all?
That is up to her.
So that way we can just proceed this thing.
It'd be good if you start, then others will follow.
Yes, we have started, sir, and we have started all the jungle cleaning and everything done, and put the signboard and all. Now people are asking rather to me, to pressurizing me, let us start the work. Here we want to demonstrate, your main dream is that to demonstrate the cultural life of the community. So we go the same in that line to demonstrate our cultural things and depict whatever things are possible. And we are really concerned about the flood affected areas in the DC area. Although it is in some areas of the hill, we are not so much affected. But in the south, our people are suffering badly. We have seen in the newspaper and all. And we have contributed, we have assisted some of the affected area due to landslide in our northern part. Own people, please keep this up. And overall, we, the Darlong community is with you to fulfill your dream, whatever you require, sir.
All we want is land rights. All we want is political, economic power. And we want to give our children a better future. If asking for our constitutional rights, if asking for the rights for, not for myself, because God has given me everything, but for asking for someone like her, like him, asking something for you all. If your future can be stronger tomorrow, then at least when you are old, you can tell your grandchildren that your ring, your Bagra fought for you. My idea is not to grab any department or any post. My idea is to give our people a better tomorrow. And for this, Darlongs may be very small in number, somebody may be more. But if you want to go for talent, then you cannot go in numbers. You have to, that's why a small country like Switzerland has so many talented and successful people, and a big country like India is still suffering because we have not got opportunity. So we need opportunity. Second thing is very important, is my view of what Tripura should be is very different from some other people. I believe that Tripura is not guided by a religion, it is not guided by a community, it is not guided by a single idea. It is a melting pot. So when I say Nadammo, or we speak or when we wear Puan, right?
Yes.
Puan. We say Rignai. That's a part of our culture. And whether you pray to Jesus, whether he prays to Baba Kariya, whether somebody else prays to Ram, does not make a difference. For us, we are all Tiprasas. Tiprasas does not mean Tripura community. It means the indigenous people who consider this land as a mother earth, owner. So that is it's a very clear philosophy, a secular philosophy, and we don't want to impose religion, language, and culture on anyone. The same way somebody imposed religion, language, and culture on us. So we have to all work together. I'm very happy. And today I'll make a statement also that the Darlong people are trying to help out Jamatia, Koloi, Tripura, young people in flood affected area. That sends a message to our Kolois, to our Jamatias, to our Riyangs, to our Tripura. See, the Darlong people, it's not amount of money, it is the gesture.
Also, sir, if we have a dream of having university that side, if you can push the point in North
I have a
Tripura
dream
or
of
Balai.
making a. I have a dream of making a
That
Darlong
will be very
MLA.
helpful for our indigenous. That's
I have a dream of making Darlong as MLA or an ES. Now that I can push. Now that I can push. Because Tripura Motha can fight. For everyone, for us, I'll pray for you and we will go ahead. See? Can I take you here?
If you don't mind, if we can take one small photo.
I charge 5 rupees per
We have come to ADC authority here in the office just to show our solidarity due to flood affected areas in ADC areas and whole state, which is badly affected by flood. So we have donated a small amount as a token of concern for our people, and I hope this will be helpful. And our main target is to help each other. As a Darlong community, we have come here to meet our authority, and we have donated a small amount for the purpose of our flood affected area people.
So anything else, sir, you had demanded to TTADC or any help you have needed?
Demand, we do not have any demand here. We have just expressed our gratitude to DC authority for allotting us a plot of land here within the DC area for heritage village. So we have started the work and we plan to develop it as per the dream of the DC authority. So we started the work of making some construction or area cleaning. At least we have completed and put the signboard of the Darlong community. That's all, and we have conveyed our gratitude to them.
So can you reveal how much amount he has donated to TTADC, sir?
And a small amount, we are, as a welfare society, 10,000, and our wing, Darlong Student Union, student children have also collected separately and donated 10,000 again. So total it comes 20,000 only. It is a very small amount, negligible, insignificant, but I hope this will be helpful.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, can you please introduce this introduction?
In Kuma Darlong, I am a Samaspati of Darlong community from Darchoy Kumakat.
So your license or your introduce?
Sangkuma Darlong from DHCI, that is Samaspati of Darlong community. I am the Assistant General Secretary of DHCI.
Myself, Mona Darlong, Secretary, Darlong Welfare Society.